Hi guys, I wanted to give you a live video of what the room looks like inside of Tuscany Suites and Casinos. Here is the little kitchenette that they give you, refrigerator. The microwave doesn't really come with the room. I asked for it and they gave it to me. No problem. It's not an extra charge. Here you have the dining room table. It didn't have this much stuff on it when I came in, but I didn't have internet when I first came into the hotel. The service was down in the area, as I stated before. This here is the little living room area, and this couch is pretty big. Honestly, you can sleep on it on your own, or you can open it up. Or you can open it up. It opens up into a bed. On the table, I found some coupons that the hotel left. Some of the coupons are for the hotel, and some are not, but for places close by. Here's the little office area. There is a business center that's in another building, but still on the resort, where you can use the computer. They do charge you, I believe it's 25 cents per page or so to print. I'll have to double check that, but they do charge you to print. And you'll see that they discuss more amenities that they have here at the Suites and Casino. Here's the air condition, and as I said, my view is not that great. I just have the view of the parking lot area, but the beauty of it is that it's really quiet back here. If I was in front of the pool or by the gym or in the main house, it would be a lot noisier because there's more people, there's entertainment and what have you. They give you the iron and ironing board like many hotels do now. And I took the room that has a king size bed. It's very comfortable. It's a little tempting. A lot of times you may say, okay, I'm just going to sit on it. You sit down and next thing you know, you fall asleep. It's that comfortable. They do have rooms with two beds in it instead of this just one giant bed. Closet, just regular, nothing much to talk about with that. And then as you can see, there's a large mirror, excuse the hair. All right, now the bathroom. I'll turn on the light so that you can see. But this is the bathroom that you get. You get a shower, and you get a whirlpool bath. And then the toilet is in a separate room altogether. You get the hair dryer. I'm not sure what this little contraption is in the middle. I don't know if it's a sauna or what, but all it does is it turns on this light up here, and that's it. But it's a pretty big size bathroom. As you can see, several people can fit in here. For $60 a night, I think it's a pretty good price. Not just for the room, but the fact that you get free entertainment. You get the pools that I showed you in the other video. You get the hot tubs. You also get the fitness center. So I think for that alone, that's worth the price. Now, yesterday I dined in one of their restaurants that they have on the hotel. It was $8.99. They gave me a whole chicken, mashed potato with gravy, and green beans. It was $8.99. And then for the salad, that was $1.99. It was really, really good. And I really think when I did go on the Strip. When I looked at the prices there for food, compared it to the prices here are definitely a lot cheaper than the prices on the Strip. And mind you, we're only 2 blocks from the Strip. So it's not like it's such a far away destination. Okay, so I'll just give you guys a quick overview of what the room looks like so that you can see, so that in case you decide that you want to come to the Paper Source Notes Conference, these are the accommodations that you will have. My only drawback with the room is that they don't give you any utensils, plates, or bowls or anything. They just give you plastic cups. I was told that if I wanted plates or bowls, that I would have to go to the gift shop and buy my own. That I'm not really all that crazy about. But otherwise, other than that, I mean, I guess for $60 a night, you can't really complain. All right. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. I'm trying to manage. It is April 24th, and it is 93 degrees out here today in Las Vegas. Not used to it since coming from New York. When I left, I think it was like 70 degrees. So, anyway, bye for now. See you guys later.